Hello students, today we have discussed Abel test. Abel's test is that for convergence of product of two functions. Let us define phi x is one function and the fx is other function. We will have to find out integral convergence, right? So if the integral of first function is convergent and second function is monotonic and bounded in closed open interval, then we say that the limit from a to infinite fx phi x dx is convergent, right? Now let us take the example of this. Example is that a to infinite 1 minus e to the power minus x cos x over x square dx, right? This is the example. It is the function and this is the other function, right? Now let us take fx is equals to cos x over x square and gx is equals to 1 minus e to the power minus x. Then given integral is that fx into gx, right? Now let us discuss integral of a to infinite fx dx. This is fx cos x over x square, which is bounded by 1 over x square. This will make phi x because cos x is bounded by 1, right? So fx is bounded by phi x. Now define the integral of phi x. Phi x integral is 1 over x square dx. As this is 1 over x to the power p, when p is greater than to 1, then it is convergent. So it is convergent. Now that with by comparison test gx, the mod of gx is equals to mod of 1 minus e to the power minus x, right? Taking the value of mod of e to the power minus x, it is 3. Then it will bounded by gx is bounded by 4 and gx is bounded by 4 and then this implies that gx is bounded, and if it is bounded the derivative is taken as that e to the power minus x, which is positive. So gx is monotonic and increasing function bounded. According to 3 to 5, Abel's test take that when function is bounded and monotonic increasing and other functions integral is convergent. So this implies that the integral of a to infinite fx dx is convergent.